Hi, this is Michael from Wirecutter, and I work from home. Keeping a clean desk can seem like an impossible task, a doomed effort. No matter how hard I try, objects just keep accumulating like weeds in an untended garden. But I recently discovered an incredibly simple way to maintain a tidy desk that's especially great for people who find most organization methods to be really more of a burden than a help. The problem that I have is that when I'm at my desk and I'm working and I'm busy, I don't want to have to think too hard about where I'm putting things away. It's just too much of a hassle, so instead I end up putting things generally anywhere, and the next thing I know, things are strewn all over the place. So what is my great solution? It's really simple. It's just a little plastic tray, like this one that I got from Muji. It's actually meant for holding makeup or jewelry, but I've been using it on my desk as sort of like a catch-all for anything I pick up and I put down. They're like little playpens for all the crap on my desk. These trays come in different sizes, they're easy on the eyes, and they only cost a couple of bucks each. What I love about this system is the controlled chaos it gives you. All your stuff is visible, it's accessible, yet perfectly contained. You can move things around, have different trays for different items, even stack them up. It's a great little modular system. So why not use a more traditional desk organizer like one of these? Wirecutter recommends some that are great for this purpose, but if you're like me, you might find these things just too big, too clunky, and a bit of an eyesore. What about a drawer? Well, drawers are fine for keeping things out of sight, but that's also their major flaw. You can't see where you put things, so it makes everything harder to find. How many times have you found yourself doing this? I just love these trays. They let you indulge in a bit of messiness and spontaneity while maintaining just enough order to keep your desk composed and functional. Finally!